The vision of the New Jerusalem is one of the most captivating and powerful themes in the book of Revelation. The Apostle John, exiled to the island of Patmos, received a series of revelations about the end times. In one of these visions, he saw the glorious New Jerusalem descending from the heavens, prepared like a bride adorned for her husband. João describes the city as a place of incredible beauty and perfection. Its walls are made of jasper and the city is made of pure gold, like clear glass. The foundations of the walls are adorned with all kinds of precious stones. Imagine a city where every detail reflects the glory and majesty of God. The New Jerusalem has 12 gates, each made from a single pearl, and the names of the 12 tribes of Israel are inscribed on them. This symbolizes the inclusion of all of God's people, both Old and New Testaments. The city's streets are pure gold, as transparent as glass. The grandeur of this vision is indescribable. In the center of the city is the throne of God and the Lamb. From there flows the river of water of life, clear as crystal. On the banks of the river is the tree of life, which bears 12 types of fruit, yielding its fruit every month. The leaves of the tree are for the healing of the nations. What a wonderful picture of divine provision and healing. John also highlights that in the New Jerusalem there will no longer be night. The city does not need the sun or the moon, for the glory of God illuminates it, and the Lamb is its lamp. This symbolizes the continuous presence and eternal light of God, which eliminates every shadow of darkness and fear. The inhabitants of the New Jerusalem are described as those whose names are written in the Lamb's Book of Life. They will serve God and reign with Him forever and ever. The promise of living eternally in the presence of God, without pain, suffering or death, is the greatest comfort and hope for believers. Friends, if you are enjoying this message of hope and want to follow more inspiring stories like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. This way, you won't miss any of our content. Continuing, the vision of the New Jerusalem is not just a description of a physical place, but also a metaphor for the complete restoration of the relationship between God and humanity. In the New Jerusalem, God will dwell with His people and will be their God. They will be His people and He will wipe away every tear from their eyes. This promise of new creation and restoration is the culmination of the entire biblical narrative. Since the fall in Eden, the story of redemption has been about God bringing His people back into a full and perfect relationship with Him. The New Jerusalem represents the final fulfillment of that redemptive plan. The message of the New Jerusalem also calls us to holiness and perseverance. John writes that nothing unclean will enter the city, not even those who practice abomination and lies, but only those who are written in the Lamb's Book of Life. It reminds us of the importance of living a life that pleases God and of keeping our faith firm until the end. John's vision concludes with an exhortation from Jesus. Behold, I come quickly. Blessed is he who keeps the words of the prophecy of this book. This promise of imminent return encourages us to live with expectation and readiness, knowing that our ultimate hope is in the coming of our Savior. As we reflect on the New Jerusalem, we are reminded that despite the trials and tribulations of this world, there is eternal hope in store for us. A place where justice, peace and God's love will prevail forever. Dear viewers, thank you for watching this video to the end. If this message touched your heart, share it with friends and family so that more people can be blessed by this wonderful hope. And don't forget to check out the next video that appears on your screen. It will certainly bring more inspiration to your spiritual life. May God bless you all.